Hello YouTube, I'm Durgesh. Today I'm going to unbox WD My Passport 2TB portable hard drive. I have purchased it from Flipkart for Rs 5800. Data is an important part of our life. In order to secure my data, it was indeed necessary to have a portable drive. Western Digital is a leader in storage technology. They provide cheaper and durable hard drives. That's why I have gone with Western Digital. Let's open the hard drive. This is how the package looks like. The package contains hard drive, cable and manual. Now let's see the crystal benchmark results. I got around 100 MBPS read and 75 MBPS write speed. I hope you would have liked this video. Please like, share and comment on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I am going to upload more such videos very soon. For any queries, you can send me a direct message on my Instagram account at dtclass. See you in the next video. Until then, take care, goodbye and thank you.